Hey y'all, it's Miss Brenner or Mrs. Casse here. I just want to go over what your first homework assignment is going to be for this year. Remember, for each unit, you have to complete all of your homework in order to take the unit test. So this is your first assignment in Unit 5, Chemical Reactions, and you are going to need to complete this. Well, there's options, so I want to go over it with you. Cool. Okay, so you're going to go into classroom, and whatever class period you're in, you'll see today's date. In this case, it's 1/5, January 5th, 2021. And we are going to, this will be obviously like lit up for you. But this is your homework number 1, your first assignment. So I want to show you what it's going to look like. You're going to go into it, and it says that you need to complete one of these assignments. Okay, so you do not need to complete both of them. You need to pick one. Your option is either Khan Academy or an ionic and covalent practice quizzes website assignment. So there's 2 assignments to choose from, and I want you to choose the one that makes the most sense for you. Some of you might have come back from not having chemistry for 3 months, and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't remember anything. What the heck was Ms. Brenner talking about yesterday? I'm so confused. And if you're thinking that way and you're feeling that way, or if you're just like, I never understood ionic and covalent in the first place, like I need help, then I want you to choose option 1. Okay, so if that's how you're feeling, you're not feeling super confident, I want you to choose option 1. If you're like, oh yeah, I totally remember this ionic and covalent is my favorite thing, maybe not favorite, but like you feel confident in it, you're feeling good, it could be your favorite. Don't let me stop you from having that. Then I want you to pick option 2. Because if you pick option 2 and you fail miserably at it, then I'm going to make you go back and do option 1. Okay, so you have to actually be successful in option 2. If you're not, I'm going to reassign this to you and make you do option 1 because I need you, need you to be really good at this for this semester, because I'm not going to go back and explain naming ionic and covalent anymore. You just got this down. So if you need that practice, and I know when it comes to practice, most people need help in the ionic category. The covalent's a little bit easier because you just use mono, di, tri, tetra, all that good stuff. So this is only practice for ionic. Okay, so it's a Khan Academy lesson on naming and writing formulas for ionic. Okay, so that's option 1. Great choice if you need the review on ionic. Okay, covalent, I'm not going to do too much of a review on, but I don't want to make a whole assignment for it. It seems too easy. So you're going to watch the videos and you're going to complete the practice problems as your assignment for today. And this is this link right here, right? The Khan Academy one. So I don't know how to rechange the title. We just have to go with it. So we will. And that is your assignment. If you're feeling good, right, and you're choosing the second option, you just want to go and do ionic and covalent practice. There's a bunch of ionic and covalent practice right here in the quizzes. So you can go right here, click on that, and that should take you to it, and you can answer all the questions. If that's not working, you can go to joinmyquiz.com and then use this code, and that should let you in as well. So either one, I don't care which one you choose, but you need to choose one. And then you can say that you've completed your assignment and you are good to go. If you have any questions, please email me, or I guess email me. So I'll see you guys on the next time we have Zoom, and have a great day.